What is matter? Matter is that which has mass and occupies space. What is mass? Mass is the amount of matter. What is the unit of mass? The unit of mass is kilogram. What are the different states of matter? The different states of matter are solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. Give some examples for solid state: rock, wood, plastic, metals except mercury, etc. Give some examples for liquid state: water, petrol, kerosene, diesel, milk, etc. are some of the examples for liquid state. Give some examples for gaseous state. Some examples for gaseous state are hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. In how many states water exists? What are they? Water exists in three states. They are solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. Ice is in solid state, water is in liquid state, and water vapor is in gaseous state. What are the properties of solids? Solids have definite shape. Solids have definite volume. Solids have high density. Solids are incompressible. Solids have high melting and boiling points. What are the properties of liquids? Liquids do not have definite shape and volume. Liquids take the shape of the container. The density of liquids is low. Liquids flow from one place to another. What are the properties of gases? Gases do not have definite shape and volume. Gases take the shape of the container. The density of gases is very low. Gases flow from one place to another. What is compressibility? Gases can be made to occupy smaller volumes by applying pressure. This is called compressibility. What is sublimation? Sublimation is the process of changing of a substance from solid state to gaseous state. In solid state, the particles are very close to one another. In liquid state, the particles are far away from one another. In gaseous state, the particles are still more far away from one another. Matter is made up of particles. The particles of matter are very small. They are small beyond our imagination. Particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter move continuously in liquids and gases. Matter exists in three states, that is, solid, liquid, and gas. The force of attraction between the particles are maximum in solids, intermediate in liquids, and minimum in gases. The particles are arranged orderly in the case of solids, while particles move randomly in gases. Diffusion is possible only when particles of matter move continuously. Rate of diffusion of gases is higher than that of liquids or solids.